Hi there, students. To debase. Debased as an adjective. Debasement as the noun. Okay, if you debase something, you make it less good, you make it less valuable, you make it less appreciated. So, I think sports, when there is so much money in sport, this debases sports. And for example, there is so much money in football nowadays that this debases the sport. Or I think only using the same words again and again and again debases the language. Okay, to debase, to make something less valuable, or to debase, to make someone morally worse, make somebody less deserving of respect. So by lying like that, you debase yourself. The conduct of politicians debases our society, it debases our political system. War debases people who take part in it. He refused to enter into this and debase himself in something like that. And then we get to the real meaning, or the original meaning. To debase the coinage, to debase a currency. Let's see, originally coins were made of gold and silver, and you had gold and silver coins, and the value of the silver or the gold in a coin was the value of the gold, and therefore coins had value. But then some smart person in government thought, well look, why don't we put some other metal in there? Let's reduce the amount of silver in coins, or let's reduce the amount of gold. So you start diluting it, and this lowers the value of a coin. It makes the intrinsic value of coins less. And for example, the Romans had lots of silver coins, and then they started to debase them. They started to add other metals, and by the end there was almost no silver left in the coins at all. But let's see, nowadays, if to debase your currency, if you put the interest rate very low, or you borrow lots and lots and lots of money, or you print lots and lots of money, these are all ways to debase your currency, to debase your money. So to debase is to take something valuable and make it less appreciated. Lying and behaving immorally, it debases the image that he has. So they debased the value of the dollar by decreasing interest rates. Sport is being debased by commercialism. Acting unkindly and being rude to people debases you. The Russian war in the Ukraine is debasing the value of the ruble. The scandals in the political party has debased people's faith in the political system. I think politicians have been debasing the meaning of the word freedom. You are debasing yourself by telling such lies. Yeah, don't debase yourself by quarreling with these people. Okay, so to debase, to take away the value of something, the debasement of quality. The managing director promised that there would be no debasement of quality. This is something that always that happens in our society. So there is competition, and then they start debasing the quality. I think there has been a significant debasement in the quality of the food that we buy. Okay, so to lower in character, to lower in quality, to degrade, to put to a lower position, to lower the value of a currency by taking away the amount of valuable metal in the coins. Okay, this is to debase, to lower in character, to degrade, to lower the value. It implies you're going into a state of shame, into a state of disgrace. Don't degrade yourself and become a cruel, unfeeling person. Okay, so to debase yourself, don't debase yourself. Don't lower your dignity for this. Don't abase yourself. Okay, so to debase, to reduce in quality, to degrade. Pornography debases the dignity of men and women. It degrades, it devalues, it lowers the status of, it reduces it. So to lower something in status, I abased myself by lying to my parents. Okay, so to debase standards, they debase standards, and like that they were able to produce the product more cheaply. So it's to reduce the value of something, to reduce the quality of something. Parliamentary democracy is being debased by the dishonesty of politicians. Moral standards have become debased, they've become corrupted, they've fallen low. And then to lower something in quality, in character, in value, yeah, to adulterate by adding cheaper metal, to debase a coinage. So debase, I think I'm going to give it a 6.5, 6 in formality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, D, and bassus in Latin, bassus, beneath, below. We've got the word in Spanish debajo, underneath, to debase, to bring something down and put it underneath. We've got bas in French, meaning down as well. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To debase, debasement, debasing.